fresh, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take beginners on how to make a double stitch. This is how a double stitch looks like after making it. It should look like this one. Let's get started. You shall start by making a knot. Wrap twice on your finger. Shall start by making a chain. From the previous tutorial I had taken you over how to make a chain, so I hope you know and you understand. After making a chain, I shall start making a double stitch by you yarn over. You insert the hook from the last chain, here, you yarn over the first two, you yarn over, you insert here in the middle here. I think you are seeing, you yarn over, insert, yarn over, yarn over. That here, yarn over. This is called a double stitch, and this is how it is made. Make a turn, you yarn over, you insert here, you pull, then you yarn over the first two, then yarn over the remaining two. turn the yarn over, insert here from the first stitch. I hope you are enjoying in making double stitch. Second last stitch and the last stitch. So this is how a double stitch looks like. We have made 1 2 3 3 rows. It has 3 rows, 1 2 3. You can make as many rows as you wish depending on the item that you are making. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.